Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey guys, good morning. Clyde Denver and welcome to another episode of First Time Adventures. Man, y'all know who this guy is?
Paul Man's Bassing, y'all.
Man, this guy got me out here early this morning. We got mist on the water. Woo. It's 30-something degrees. But guess what? Man, we're gonna have a great day. We got a lot of stuff lined up. So hey, should be a good one. Let's go. This place. Is that a rope hanging from the tree?
Yeah.
Get out of here. This, there ain't no way in the world I jump in this water. We made it, guys. Let's see if we can get some stuff in the water and see what happens. Me too, man. First one on the boat, guys. Save this eye, guy. Let's save this eye. Let's get him back in the water.
Gotta beat you to the next one.
Oh, get out of here, Patrick. That's not right. That is not. Oh, Lord. You just might. Well, I don't know. And I fell in the water now. You might be in some trouble. Guys, right now the challenge is, hey, all right guys, right now for the challenge is for the second fish, guess what? I got the second fish. Let's get him back in the water. Oh, shit. First one on, guys. First one on. All right, first one, guys. Got him on the chatterbait with the split fluke tail on it. Woo! Hallelujah! I ain't got to worry about can and skunk. I caught him drifting. I was dragging it along. Oh man, got off. Right. Man, good gracious. Wow. That thing is huge. Good shot, Patrick, man. You got your 5 and you beat me out, man. Got the biggest one, huh? Yeah, got your 5. Like you guys, just got the first one out of the pond today. Got them on the, I guess you can call this the ghost color lipless crankbait.
Pick him back up. Let me get it there. All right.
Wow, 2.1. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
He's calling 3 pounds on it.
Let's get him back in the water, guys. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you coming to visit. Ugh. Hey, wrong way, buddy. Wrong way. Yeah, I am. Guys, I'm sorry y'all didn't catch the hook set on this, but look at this, guys. That's a nice bass. He what? That's why he asked me what was I using. Yeah. So I'm going to put him back in the water, man. Man, that thing pulled good, man. I felt it when he hit it way out there, but he didn't get it. I threw it back out there in the same place he hit it again. All right, guys, let's get this big guy back. Look at that. He took right on off, man.